Good morning, colleagues. Here you can see Rubik's from 1 to 1 to 15 by 15. Even cubes I turn white color, and odd cubes is in orange. Okay, it's 1 from 15, and today, 13 January 2026, I will put all of them non-stop in one day. It will take me less than 13 hours. Just wish me good luck, that's all I need, and a lot of patience. See you in short videos later on. I am ready to hit start button. I will do it in several minutes after one more coffee. And when will be no way back, I need to finish all these Rubik's to 15, 15, 15. It's my own challenge. No one forced me to do that. I am mentally healthy, tell you, and I'm just having fun. It's very big challenge for me, and I want to test myself if I can do that. And we will see it later on when this clock will change to something like 2000. I can wish only good luck for me. See you in short videos later on. Here you can see my cubic repair shop. It's only light and a table and simply knife. That's how I put parts back if some fall out. That's all. Okay, I'm starting now. I'm starting in short videos and 7 in the morning. I will show you first Rubik, what I do, and later on I only show you short videos, and that's all. I started from 7 0 7 0 0. Let me tell, it's not so important, it's 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, number 2. Okay, and several more moves, and this is ready. This is ready. It's we can say that it's done 7 0 1 1 minute. Let's take 3 by 3, and it will be the same. I will not record videos because it will be too long after that to put everything together. That means I will do it in short videos, only start and finish. Okay, what we have here. Now I did it from the 1 to 7 7 in 54 minutes. I will take a coffee now and continue working on everything. It's going well, not tired yet. Let's go. Okay, what you can see here, I already did from 1 to 9 to 9, and it's left 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 left, and I did it in these 2 to 9 in 2 hours and 1 minute. Okay, I continue, will not waste any more time. We'll go for 10-10 now. As you can see, I did already 10 by 10. It took 49 minutes, and I already working from 7 to 9:55. It's already from 1 to 10 is ready. Now left the biggest one, 5, from 11 to 15. Let's go. Okay, just finished 12 by 12 in 1 hour and 14 minutes, and already I am on this project like 5 hours and 14 minutes now, and 3 more left. The most is done. This one will come here. It's 12 by 12. Now it's from 1 to 1 to 12 by 12 done. 3 biggest left, 13, 14 and 15. And now is 12, 14. I started from 7 0 0. see, take a break now, like 5 minutes, and I will come back on 13 by 13. As you can see, I finished 13 by 13 by 13, and I finished it in 1 hour 40 minutes now. And already I am putting these cubics from 7 in the morning. That means already 7 hours. 7 hours and 2 more left. 2 more left. And that will be done everything, no stop, from 1 to 1 to 15 to 15. Okay, that one is in the place, and now it's coming 14 by 14. That's my new, yesterday received, and I have started in maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, I'm waiting 1 more minute. And I just repeating that this one's, what you can see from 1 to 13 by 13, it's done in 7 hours and 5 minutes. Something. Now this one on the table is 14 by 14, and that one is 15 by 15, last one in the corner. That means it will take for me more than 3 hours to do it, but I will finish all from 1 to 1 to 15 by 15. I am starting now that one. Okay, 14 by 14 is ready, and it will be here. I did it in 2 hours 7 minutes. Now I'm already putting cubes from 7 in the morning. That means 5 hours and 4 hours, 9 hours 15 minutes now. Already 9 hours 15 minutes. And I will do the last one. That's 15 by 15 left. And that will be my new high score from 1 to 15 non-stop. Only like 5 coffees, that's all. Okay, starting in 5 minutes and feel tired, but I like it. See you in next video. I'm back, and I want to show you last steps of all 15 Rubik Cubes from 7 in the morning today till 18:29, and that took me exactly took, let's say, 11 hours and 30 minutes. This one is 18:30. That means in total from 7 in the morning to 5 o'clock, 5 hours plus 8 hours 30 minutes, in total 11 hours 30 minutes. All 15 Rubik Cubes, and last one took 2 hours 12 minutes. Okay, in total, what you can see here, I will show you. I will show you now. I started from 7 in the morning, non-stop. All these Rubik Cubes was apart. And now I put it together in 11 hours 30 minutes. That's my new time. Cool. I am happy. I am tired. See you next time.